Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have friend mail. I got a package from Kim. Kim has a channel, Hanging Out with Kim. And then I got some cards from a subscriber, Betty Vick, and Robin Sadowski, who also has a channel. And Blue, I've already started this. And Blue was coming through and a couple things fell out, a couple of stickers. So let's see if we can figure out who they came from. So, because I had cut these open already. It came out of one of the envelopes. Anyway, I just want to thank these wonderful people for sending me friend mail. It's lovely to get friend mail. It's lovely. So let's start with Betty Vick. This is a beautiful color envelope. This stamp is so pretty. And then Betty's address is on here. Let me this is my little thing I got from Timo. I just love it because it has it'll cover addresses. So I just want to cover, I covered my address even though it's a P.O. box, but I want to cover Betty's address because I don't want y'all to, she didn't give me permission to give her address out across the world. So look at that pretty stamp though. It is a church. Let's see. It's a church. It's just it's next to a railroad tracks, and then there's a lamppost. It's really pretty. And then her address has a tiger on it. Isn't that cool? Let's open it up and see. So, let's see. Okay. All right. I think the stickers must have come from Robin's card. This is so cute. It says, "You make me all smiley." Y'all, y'all really do. Y'all really do. And getting friend mail just makes me so happy. It just makes me so happy. So sometimes when Betty writes to me, she does write personal things. So let me take a look. It says, "Dear Mary," it says, "You make me all smiley inside and out," is what it says on the inside. And Betty has a beautiful handwriting. So she says, "Thank you so much for the incredible giveaway box." Betty won my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So she said she watched the video and she knew what was inside, but it was so much she's still surprised. Love, Betty. Okay. I think that happens when you win a giveaway, when you're watching a giveaway and you think, "Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice." But, when you actually get it in your hands, it's very easy to, not remember everything. So, okay, there's more on here, but I think it's more personal. So I will save that for myself. So thank you, Betty. That's so cute. I love it. Doesn't that little face make you all smiley? I love it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And the card, I got a card from Robin Sadowski. Now, Robin has a channel, and I've known Robin a good while. And she she does some unboxings. She does a lot of Temu. She does Temu Tuesday. Or is it called Tuesday Temu Tuesday? I don't know that she does it every week. I don't do it every week either. I do it once in a while also, but I think she does it more often than me. She does hauls, all different kinds of hauls, and also Robin is into I always forget what you call that book, an agenda. An agenda book. It's a calendar. And you open it up and it's like, yeah, each day to a page or a week to a page. And she decorates it. And it's really pretty things. She really is very thoughtful about what stickers she picks and everything. So she does that kind of thing. So if you don't know Robin, go check her out. I'll have anybody I mentioned with the channel, I'll have in the description below, okay? So she also sent me a really pretty, her address has a pretty rose on it. And then look at that stamp, isn't even canceled. And are those columbines? It's hard to tell. Oh no, it says something on it. Pasque flower. Pasque flower. So that's not even canceled. I've been noticing that lately here. A lot of stamps have not been canceled. So it used to be in the day you could use a stamp that wasn't canceled, but now I think it gets electronically scanned. So they'd be onto you, I think, if you do that. So there are some things in this card. So let me take them out. That is probably where the stickers fell from. Let me show you this, another adorable card. Look at that little dog with his hat on. Do y'all remember making those kinds of hats when we were kids from newspaper? Love it. It's hard to find words to why can't I speak? It's hard to find words to why can't I say that? Adequately describe a friend like you. I'm so sorry, Robin. but the words "never a dull moment" come to mind. Mary, God bless. Robin Sadowski. Thank you, Robin. And it says trick or treat on the inside. And Robin is just pure. She's down to earth and honest. She's a great, great lady. Y'all will really enjoy her channel if you haven't been there yet. She sent me a card. This is today's prayer. It's beautiful. And it says, "You are of great worth in my eyes. You are honored and I love you." And that's Isaiah 43:4. That's beautiful, Robin. Thank you. See, that's a wonderful affirmation, y'all, to put on your refrigerator or put in your bathroom on the mirror when you're getting ready in the morning. You just remember that God always loves you, no matter what, no matter what. And then she sent me some fun things. So this is let me show it to you and then I'll read it. It is Biomiracle brand Skin Therapy. It is a brightening bubble clay mask treatment. So it has kaolin clay, peptides, and ceramide to revitalize, hydrate, and help with anti-aging. Now, a lot of times, y'all, clay masks are for oily skin because they draw out the oil and the impurities. And, you know, anybody can use a clay mask once in a while. But if you have oily skin, you may want to use one once a week or so. But this one, I have heard about this particular clay, that kaolin, it's Kaolin. And it looks from the picture like it's pink, and I think it is a pink clay. That is not it won't dry your skin as much as other clays will. I hope that makes sense. And this is to put on for 20 minutes. I'll have to do this on a Mask Monday. It also says that it bubbles, so that'll be fun. It will change from clay to bubbles. So we'll try that on a Mask Monday, Robin. I'll next one I can do, I'll do it. And then she had a couple stickers in here, and these are cute. Oh, this is, you know, someday I want to go. I want to go to I have been to New Mexico. I have family in New Mexico. I want to go when it's the balloon festival time. I just think they're so cool. They're so cool. One time in my life, here where I live, where I used to live, not the house I'm in now, there was a balloon overhead. I went outside on the porch and I see this balloon, this big basket balloon coming over, and they were so close that I was able to run out in the yard and I was able to talk with them. I yelled up there and they were yelling back at me and we were talking back and forth. It was so cool. It was so cool. And here's some cupcakes. And this one says honeybee. Love that. And this one is a snowman. Thank you, Robin. I love these stickers. Everything I love. So thank you. Yes, I will definitely do this on a future Mask Monday. And then I got this package from Kim, and it does say surprise friend mail. There's the rose that Kim usually draws for everybody. And Kim did tell me she was sending me something, but she didn't tell me, you know, what. And I didn't expect it to be a big package. But let me get things out of here. Oh, there's a card. I see a card. Oh, there's a lot. Oh, my goodness, there's a lot in here. There's a lot in here. Okay, let me open the card before I start messing with things. Look how cute that is, y'all. On the back it says Be Magical. These are all 3D stickers. It's Be Magical. It's a corgi dog with a mermaid tail. Isn't that cute? It says Feline Good, Pugacorn, Meow Maid, and Don't Give a Frappe. And they're all have it three-dimensional. Those are cute, Kim. Did you find those at the Dollar Tree? I haven't seen that. I didn't look at, I don't go to Dollar Tree as often as probably I should. But let me open that up and see what it says. Thinking of you, and that's all sparkly, the you. And it says, hi, hey Mary, I wanted to send you these ears, but I saw this bag and thought of you. Also, the candy is some more that we all talked about on one of your past lives. Enjoy. Okay, excuse me. Kim has a channel, Hanging Out with Kim, and she is stepping back a little bit from it. She's still recording. She's putting up a couple of videos a week, but there was some pressure for her to post every day, and you know, her family, her mother's not in the best health, and she just is trying to step back a little bit from YouTube to take care of her family a little bit more. And a little bit more. She took care of, you know, takes care of them 24/7. So, but anyway, That's what she's been doing, is stepping back just a little bit. So she was saying that she wasn't really going to necessarily use her ears anymore. So she asked if anybody wanted them. And I have always admired these ears. These are the lace cat ears. I can put them on right now. Right before I started my channel, right before I started getting boxes, I'm not sure where, I'll have to ask Kim if she remembers where they all got this. But several people have these lace ears, and I could never find any like them. And I don't know if they came in a box or what, but several people had them. So I'm like, I'll take those. And then she had these. I also have these, the black, although I think mine have pink inside. These are red. Those are pretty. And then these, I think mine are pink inside on the white also. And they have the bells. Love these. So she sent me these, and because maybe one of y'all would like them. So maybe the next person that wins one of my giveaways, I'll ask you if you want me to throw in some ears. So they're very nice, and they're fun. And there's a lot of fun stuff in this bag, y'all. So there is a bag from TJ Maxx. Love these bags. You know, I prefer to buy this kind of a bag than to buy a bag from the Dollar Tree, a paper bag that's going to go in the trash. Because, you know, if you ever go to a big party, a shower or something, people they just throw all that trash away. I save my bags. I save my bags for future use, but not everybody does. The TJ Maxx bags, though, are coated. You know, they're, you don't really feel any paper in them. It's all coated plastic. So these are great for shopping, great for if you're going to stay overnight at someone's house and just have to grab a few things. But look how cute this is. It's got a nice handles to it. You know, this is fabric, and there's is that fabric trim? Well, there's trim all the way around, okay? So look how cute this bag is. It's got the cats on it. We've got a cat that's ready for Mass Monday. And this one's all snazzy. And this one too, this one has, oh, it reminds me of the Red Hat Society. Is that what that, or the Purple Hat Society? What's that called? And then this one is ready for work, is what it looks like. And it's the same on the other side. But how cute is that bag? Thank you, Kim. I love it. I love it. And whoops, I will definitely use that bag. And then, well, oh, there's stickers. There's some really cute stickers. Let me show them to you, and then I'll read what it says. I love butterflies. Kim loves butterflies too. Sticky Lab 3D butterfly stickers. These are real pretty because if you can see, you know, the wings are raised on them. They're very pretty. So you'll probably see these on some future friend mail. And then y'all, not this past Friday I was live, but the Friday that I went live before, so that would have been in September. We all, you know, everybody gabs. And we got to talking about candy. I don't know, we got to talking about crazy things. And somebody brought this up. And none of us, I don't think anybody remembered the name of it. But I remember this when I was a kid. My mom liked this. That also would come in, I want to say pieces you could get this in. This is called 3 Flavors Supreme Coconut Bar. I knew it was coconut. Somebody else knew it was coconut. And what it is, you know, if you've never had this before, it's all coconut, but it's, you know, there's sugar and everything. And you can cut this in or break it off like a candy bar, but this is a strawberry flavored, this is vanilla, and then this is chocolate flavored. And it is coconut. And we were talking about that. So that is a fun one. I love candy, y'all. Love candy. And then this came up, if y'all saw not too long ago, Kelly LaChapelle sent me some of the Boston baked beans, and that was one of my favorites as a kid. And then I don't remember who brought this up, but sugar babies. Who doesn't love sugar babies? These are caramel on the inside, and they have a coating, a candy coating on the outside. So this box has a lot in it. You know, this is like a movie box. Take it to the movies with you. Yum, yum. Thank you, Kim. And one of my very favorite candies, my grandmother always had it in the house, always, was Bridge Mix. So Bridge Mix, let me show it to you and then I'll try to explain it. Bridge Mix, this is a bag of Bridge Mix. This is a lot in here, Kim. Doesn't say the ounces? Yeah, it has to somewhere. 9 ounces, it feels very heavy. So this is the brand Eileen's. Where'd you get that, Kim? Maybe at the grocery store? But Bridge Mix can be different depending on who makes it. This is made in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Eileen's, not Ellie. It's Eillien apostrophe S, Eileen's. So this is from Green Bay, Wisconsin. Bridge Mix is usually chocolate coated candies. So there's nuts, you know, there might be peanuts and almonds and cashews, whatever, different kinds of nuts that are covered in chocolate. There might be some raisins. There be some like caramel balls and malted milk balls. There might be some jellies that are covered with chocolate. So there's just a variety, and it depends on the brand what actually is in there. Because I have had, in fact, like in New York, they have it, again, it might just be the brand. When I was a kid and we'd have it in New York, it was different than what we had in Chicago. And I didn't know brands, you know, so the most famous brand that I know as a kid was Brock's, because, you know, at the grocery, I lived a block from Walgreens, and they had a candy section, and you'd go pick up a bag for grandma, and it was Brock's brand. So thank you, Kim, so much. Y'all are so sweet. Oh, there's something else. Smudge came up, so I almost missed this. Now this, I want to say, I don't know if I've ever had this one. Abba Zaba. Annabelle's Abba Zaba. It's chewy taffy peanut butter center. Oh, I know I'm going to love that. We'll have to open that up and look at it. So maybe, Kim, was this one of your favorites as a kid? Someone may have mentioned this in the live. I don't know. But personally, I don't know that I know this one. It doesn't look familiar to me. And let me just tell you, I'm a candy expert. Oh, how neat. It is a white taffy. All right, it says chewy taffy with a peanut butter center. So I can see, all right, let's see. Oh, Kim, my dentist is going to kill you. This is, oh, okay. There, look at, there is peanut butter in the center. It's nice and hard. So I'm going to have to be very careful and maybe just suck on this instead of chew on it, because my dentist is going to be mad at you, Kim. Just have to say, I love chewy candy, and that is really chewy, and I'm going to adore it. Thank you so much. But my teeth, you know, my teeth. I have crowns that fall out when I chew on taffy. But y'all, thank you so much. Thank you, Robin. And Smudge, are you coming through? Thank you so much to Betty, and thank you so much to Robin, and thank you so much to Kim for thinking of me, y'all. And I love these, Kim. I'll be wearing these on a future Mask Monday. Maybe when I do my clay mask, I'll wear these. So I'll have a pink face and my black lace ears. Thank you all so much for stopping by, and count your blessings, and have a great day, y'all. Bye-bye. Y'all, I get so befuddled. I didn't finish reading. Kim says, all right, talked about your past lives. Enjoy. I love you, from Kim. P.S. Thank you for being such a wonderful friend. So I want to thank you, Kim, for being such a wonderful friend as well. Kim and I have known each other since before I started my channel. So she's been a dear friend of me all this time. So thank you so much, Kim. And I love y'all. I love y'all. I love you, Robin, and I love you, Betty, as well. And I love all my subscribers. And y'all just keep coming back. And one thing I always forget to ask is subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you will. And y'all, thank you so much. Bye-bye.